Imagine this. So you're in school, you're a student, and you have a specific problem you want to solve, and you want to use Notion to do that. So you want to create a template, a page where you could do something to help you get through school or through the next exam, for example, but you're not sure where to start. Or maybe you work in a company and your boss gave you a specific task or requirement that you need to fulfill, and you want to use Notion and you think Notion is the best tool for that, but you are not sure where to start, how to create that template or a page or a database, and what kind of things should you include in that, right? And it would be so much easier for you if you could just see some kind of examples from other people to see, you know, how to begin in creating your own personal template that you could maybe use. Or maybe if you decided to become a Notion creator and you want to give away for free or sell Notion templates, you also want to know where to start or how to beat your competition. Now, there's a quick hack that you can use to find great Notion templates from other people that are publicly available. And you can of course use the Notion official Notion marketplace and their website to find some templates, but there is a better way. Before I reveal this kind of a secret hack, let me first introduce myself. My name is Drazen. I have a website called Notionzilla where I publish Notion templates for free and some of them for sale. So please check it out and maybe you will find what you need over there. Now, before I get into the specific hack, let me first show you one of my Notion templates that I'm actually giving away for free. So this is it. This is my X-Tweets Planner and Scheduler Notion template. Now, I'm not sure if you're able to see this, but every Notion template that you publish on web has a specific URL. For example, mine is some kind of gibberish like bejeweled butterfly cf9.notion.site. Now, every kind of template from every Notion user out there uses the same core URL, which is notion.site. Now, the hack is this. You go to Google, right? And you type in site notion.site, right? So by doing that, this Google search will just show you results from Notion website, more specifically from Notion templates that are published on web, right? From all users that are using Notion. Now, if you want to use this to find a specific niche, for example, SEO, you would add that keyword after it, right? So I will type SEO and click enter. And now I got a list of Notion templates. I don't know how many of them, but probably hundreds of them. And let me just see. SEO audit and checklist template. If I open this, right, I get it right here. Now, some of these templates are premium, and this one probably is, so I cannot duplicate it exactly to my Notion, right? But I can check it out, I can view it, right? But if I click here, no, there is no option to duplicate it, but you can use it for inspiration to simulate or emulate, or maybe even copy some of this content or layout or ideas to your own template. Now let me try and find a free one. Now this is a free tool SEO. Let's see. All right, so this one is completely free. It's pretty much basic, but as you can see, there is the duplicate icon at the top, or maybe you cannot see it, I'm not sure. You can see, okay? There's a duplicate icon for Notion at the top. That means you can duplicate this and maybe, I don't know, use this this table, this database for your own template, right? There is also a nice sidebar over here that I don't know how they did it, but this is also a great example of how you can research different kind of Notion templates and then use it to your advantage to create similar templates, right? So this is a great example. And you can just do this for any kind of niche. Like for example, let me try what's popular: income, actually expenses. Expenses. Let me just try expenses now. Expense tracker. The first one is from Thomas Frank. Let's open it up. Sorry, Thomas, if this one is a paid product of yours or not, but Thomas Frank is one of top Notion template creators, so this is a great insight in his work. But let's go back to Google and see if there is anything else. Let's see, expense splitting. This is another one. Maybe this one is free. Yep, it is. Duplicate button. So this is, I'm guessing, a template to use among several people to split the expenses on dinner or beverages, things like that. And like I said, you can check it out, see how it's made, and try to get some ideas for your own purpose, for your own templates. And this is cool. Let me see if there is anything else. Like I said, you can use this for any kind of niche. And let me try Life OS. Oops. Muslim Life OS, Islamic Notion template. Let's see this one. You may not be a Muslim, but you may check this template and see if there is anything useful that you can use. This is interesting. Okay. Interesting. Morning routine, evening routine, right? So this is another great example of research and giving you ideas on what you can do with Notion and how to create your own template for your own problems or tasks or purposes, and use other people's templates for inspiration, right? This is great. Okay. So I just, I don't want to dig into deeper. I told you how to do it on your own, so you can dive in and choose your own niche and your own keywords. And let me know in the comments if you like this idea, if you like this hack. Let me know if you maybe knew about this and if you already used it. And if you like this video, I'm going to publish a lot more videos around Notion, around Gumroad, around making money online, around affiliate marketing. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to learn more in the future. Thank you so much, and see you soon.